Hello guys, in this video we will explain the method of resetting the camera settings to the default settings, the original settings of the factory settings. We will also explain the method of raising the camera resolution to the highest possible resolution and improving its quality. But before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video as a favor, not an order. Thank you very much to everyone who supports me now. Let us go through the explanation. The first step is to go to the settings, then we go to the applications. After that, we click on the applications, then we search for the camera application among the applications that we have here. If the camera application does not appear for you, you click on the points above here, then you click on Show System Operations and the camera application will appear for you. You just have to search and click on it. Then click on Storage and then click on Clear Data. Thus, you will have been able to reset the camera settings to the default settings. Now, we will set the camera to the highest possible resolution. How to do that? Let's go through the explanation of the method. The first thing we do is click on the camera. Then if we are asked for any permissions, we give it permissions. After that, we click on the settings icon above. From here, we will choose the highest possible resolution. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and have benefited. See you soon in an upcoming video and new explanation.